What's up, guys? Ever feel like your headphones could sound way better but your phone just cannot power them properly? On Best Product, we are checking out one of the best earphone amplify options that can seriously boost your sound quality and take your listening experience to the next level. Let's get started. Let's check out the Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier. This tiny device may look simple, but it is designed for people who truly care about sound. The Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier is compact and lightweight, which makes it perfect to carry in your pocket or bag. You can easily bring it with you when traveling, commuting, or even just moving around the house. Despite its small size, it delivers powerful and precise amplification that can transform the way your headphones perform. One of the biggest advantages of the Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier is its wide compatibility. It works smoothly with iOS and Android smartphones, as well as Mac and Windows computers. That means you do not have to worry about changing devices or dealing with complicated setups. Just connect it and enjoy better sound. This flexibility makes it a great choice if you use different devices during the day. Now let's talk about sound quality, because that is where this amplifier really shines. The Fosi Audio DS2 is built with advanced architecture that focuses on low noise operation. In simple terms, that means less background hiss and less distortion. What you get instead is clean, clear, and detailed audio. You can hear subtle instruments, soft vocals, and small details in your favorite tracks that you might have missed before. It creates a more immersive and enjoyable listening experience. Another impressive feature is the dual output design. The Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier comes with a 3.5mm single-ended output and a 4.4mm balanced output. This gives you more flexibility depending on the type of headphones you use. The single-ended output provides up to 130 milliwatts of power, while the balanced output delivers up to 170 milliwatts. That extra power is very useful for driving more demanding headphones. It helps your music sound fuller, stronger, and more dynamic without losing clarity. High-resolution audio support is another key highlight. The Fosi Audio DS2 supports 32-bit 384 kHz PCM and DSD 256. This means it can handle high-quality audio files with incredible detail. If you listen to lossless tracks or high-fidelity recordings, this amplifier allows you to hear them the way they were meant to be heard. You get better depth, better separation between instruments, and a more natural sound overall. What makes the Fosi Audio DS2 even more appealing is how it combines all these features into such a small and elegant design. It does not take up much space, and it does not add bulk to your setup, yet inside it is engineered to deliver strong performance. The build feels solid, and the connections are firm and reliable. Everything about it feels focused on giving you better audio without unnecessary complexity. Using the Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier is simple and straightforward. There are no confusing controls. You just connect your device, plug in your headphones, and enjoy the upgrade in sound. It is a clean and efficient way to boost your listening experience without replacing your headphones or investing in a large audio system. If you love music and want more clarity, more power, and more detail from your headphones, the Fosi Audio DS2 Earphone Amplifier is a smart and compact solution. It brings together portability, strong output power, wide compatibility, low noise performance, dual output flexibility, and high-resolution audio support in one sleek device. Ready to hear the difference? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more awesome product videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.